Hi guys, YasarRaja here. Today again we are not in the kitchen. It's very hot weather. I try to use the air conditioning in my car, and as usual, because we don't use it normally, the gases I think is quite low. The air conditioning is not working at all. So when I checked with the garage, it was costing a fortune. So I ordered some parts, which is one of these pipes which has got a gauge on top to measure how much gas you got inside, and plus order this bottle of gas separately. So it's going to work out quite cheap. First you have to buy this pipe, which is about £15, and the bottle again is 15-16 pound. So first you have to invest about £15 for this um, pipe and nozzle with it. So it's an investment worth investing. So I'm gonna show you today how to fill it in. First I'll show you what's happening here. When I turn the aircon on, it's blowing total hot air. See, the air is really hot. There's no air conditioning at all. So stay with me and I will show you how to do it. See, first of all, I've located the low pressure pipe, which is the one with, well, the fat one. This thin one is the high pressure, so we're not gonna, and this nozzle it only fits on top of the low pressure, so it'll be easier to differentiate. So put this nozzle on, and on the gauge I can see the pressure is quite low. So I'm gonna turn the outlet valve on, sorry. So it started going in, it's going up. Okay, just going to keep it to this level. So it says full. I'm not going to take it too far. So now we'll take the nozzle off. Take this off. Nozzle's off. Make sure you put the cap back on again. We'll go inside and check whether the aircon is working now or not. Guys, as I filled the air in, but the gas, but the aircon is still not working. So because the light, see over here, the light turns on this side. When you press it, nothing comes on here. So I'm just going to check the fuse. For Peugeot 107, the fuse is just here underneath the steering wheel. So I'm going to take this cover off and see what's happening in there. So I'll pop the lid off from one side, from the top here. See, it's moving, but there's two screws, one on each side. So I'm going to take the screw off. Make sure you keep the screws safe. Turn the steering wheel to the other side, and there's a screw here as well. Unscrew this, and there we go. We can take this whole thing off now. So guys, I've located the fuse. There's no much help inside the car, so there's no narrative diagram, so I had to Google it. This bottom one is for air conditioning, is 7.5. I think you can't see it clearly, but well, you can see it now. 7.5 this one. So there's no extra fuse, so I took another one from top. I don't know what that belongs to, but I'll replace that later on. So now we're gonna check it whether it works or not. Turn the ignition on, press the button. Yeah, see, the light is on, so that's a good sign. So start the engine. So we wait for the cold air. Okay, because it's a small engine car, the engine I think it started working now. That's why the engine is shaking because it needs more power. So I keep the revs up a little bit. Well, I can hear the air coming in as well. Move the slider to the face and feet. Well, move it to the face and wait for the cold air now. Well, I think that was that fuse was ABS. That's why the light is come on now. So I have to replace that one. Wow, that is blowing the cold air now. So guys, this problem is sorted. I'm going to make another video for the other car, so keep watching. I'll put the link in the description. Please follow my channel for the cooking videos and all the handy tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.